Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these green and marble nails. Alright, so this is my previous set and they look awful. I recently dyed my hair, so my nails were tinted blue. And yeah, it is really time to take care of these. I've had them on long enough. So I'm taking my nippers and I'm just going to take off all of the crystals and the pearls. And once I have those all off, I am just going to take my e-file and my fine sanding band and I'm just taking off all of the gel polish. And as you can see, it's the gel polish that was tinted blue. So once I file that off, you can see the true color of my pink nude nails. Looks a whole lot better. Alright, so I do have a mini alpha brush haul. They sent over some new brushes and I have a new number 2 3D brush. And I just love it. That point on there is just amazing. And I also have their new black capped number 10 Kolinsky brush. And the cap doubles as the handle. And it is nice and sturdy. And I just love this brush. So I'll be using this one for my fill-in today. So I'm pouring up my ASP monomer. I've gotten questions about which monomer I use, and this is it. So for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails Pink Nude Acrylic, and I'm going to prep with Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And No Lift Nails Primer. Alright, so I am just going to take small beads of the pink nude acrylic and we're just going to do a fill in. And this number 10 alpha brush worked like a dream. It is slightly bigger than the number 8, obviously, but it wasn't too much. And I just, it's just something about having a fresh brush. Like the bristles are just amazing. So I will leave a link down below and also my coupon code if you guys are interested in getting some alpha brushes. Alright, so this is after filing, shaping, and buffing. And now I'm going in with this white gel polish from Love Jazzery. And I'm just going to apply 2 coats of this to each nail. And I'm using my alpha gel brush to clean up any gel polish that may have gotten around the cuticle or on my skin. So after curing those 2 coats, I'm going to go in with this color changing gel polish from Madam Glam. And this is called Earth or Paradise. And it is a beautiful deep emerald green color and it has gold glitter in it. And it changes to a light green color when it is hot. So I decided to put a white base under it, just so when it does change over to that light green color that you're able to see it, because it kind of didn't show up when I did my swatch just on my plain pink nude nail. All right, so this is after curing, and as you can see, that color change did happen with the heat of the LED lamp. And by the way, I've only applied one coat of the Madam Glam gel polish. All right, so for the marble nails, I have my Alpha Detail and Liner brush, and I'm gonna be going in with this Elite 99 gold gel polish along with this black gel polish from Love Jazzery. And I'm just going to drop a few drops of each gel polish just on this plastic so I can work with it easier. So taking that Alpha Detail brush, I'm just going to paint some lines randomly on the nail to kind of give it, you know, that marble look. So once the lines are drawn, I'm just going to clean my brush and then I dip it in acetone, and I'm just going to lightly tap it onto the gel polish to spread it about. And the detail brush wasn't big enough as far as, you know, spreading it about. So I switched over to my number 6 gel brush, and that really spread out the gel polish very nicely. So once I have the gel polish dispersed the way that I like, I'm just gonna lightly go over it with more lines. And it's just what gives it that really, you know, marbly look. And I just repeat the same thing for the index fingernail. All right, so I'll go ahead and cure this. And now I'm going to go in with some highlights of the gold gel polish. And I'm just being very light-handed with this. I'm just going to highlight the lines with the gold gel polish. And lightly disperse this with acetone as well. So for my index finger, I felt like there wasn't enough black color. So I went in with more of the black gel polish and just kind of tapping that to disperse that a little more. And then going in with the gold gel polish, and I went ahead and cured that. And I just wanted to add a little bit more black because I just felt like the nail was just too white. So yeah, I went back in with more gel polish. And this is the beauty with these marble nails. There is no right or wrong way. If you feel like you need more in some areas and less in others, you can always fix it, you know, before you cure. Alright, so after curing, I'm going in with the Long Hair Pretty Nails clear acrylic, and I'm going to use that to adhere my large stones. And I will leave links down below to all of these embellishments. Now I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply this to all of the nails. And before I cured, I added more iridescent crystals and micro beads just to give it a little pizzazz. Alright, so after curing, I felt like I wanted the marble nails to be matte. So I went ahead and grabbed my buffing block and I just buffed those two nails. So that is just a hack if you don't have a matte gel top coat. I used to do this all the time before I got a matte gel top coat, but you can use your buffing block and just buff the nail and you have a matte nail, like voila. Alright, so now I want to show you guys how these nails change colors in different temperatures. So on the left, I have the hot water, and when you dip it into the hot water, it turns into a light green color. And on the right, I have the cold water, and when you dip it in there, it turns back to the dark green color. Super, super cool, and this is just a beautiful gel polish. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I really love how these turned out. I wasn't sure where I was going when I started this design, but I so love how these came out. I especially love the matte marble nails. They just look so regal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.